I consider myself to be a very artistic person. I can sing, I can dance, I can play the piano, and I can do embroidery. But I can't practice much because I don't have the time. These are abilities I have, and in this video you will learn how to talk about yours. To express an ability, we put the verb can before the action. For example, I can speak English. You can learn. She can dance. As you can see, the verb can doesn't change for he, she, or it. For negative sentences, we use the verb can't or cannot to talk about abilities that we don't have. For example, I can't speak German. We can also ask questions using the verb can before the subject. For example, can she speak English? We can answer this by saying yes, she can, or no, she can't. To talk about past abilities, we use the past form of the verb can, could. So, for example, when I was a child, I could run very fast, but now I can't.